How to see Instagram password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can see Instagram password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are using the Instagram app, you are logged in, you don't know your current password. Can you see your password? Absolutely not. It's just like asking that you have an ATM and you want to see your current ATM pin, which your bank won't let you do it. Not only the bank, any social media app, any application will never let you see your current password. The only thing you can do is you can actually reset it. However, there is still one solution that I can give you. Luckily, if you have synced all of your accounts and that you have saved your password to maybe your Google account or your iCloud account on your iOS and Safari browser. In that case, just open the browser where all of your details and passwords are everything synced. In my case, it is my Google account. And just go to instagram.com. Here you can see I was logged in. So let's say that I had basically saved my account details. So I'll just try to log out here. Once I log out, I'm on the login page right over here, right? Now, I want to see my password. How do you do it? Luckily, as I said, if all of your passwords are synced and that you have saved your password on your browser, you will be able to select them by default. And now you can tap the show button on the right hand side to view the current password. So this is simply how it works. If you have saved your account on your browser, you can actually view the passwords of the account that you've basically saved. This way you can see the Instagram password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.